Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba makita ang chat ng chatmates nyo nang hindi nila nalalaman na na-seen nyo na ang chat nila. So, let's do it. So, ang first step natin guys ay i-open lang ang ating messenger. So, ayan. And then dito guys, makikita nyo yung 3 lines dito, yung menu. So, pindutin nyo lang yon. And then dito guys, pindutin nyo naman yung settings. And then dito, pindutin nyo lang yung privacy and safety. And then, scroll down. And then, makikita nyo tong read receipt. So, pindutin nyo lang yan. And ayan. So, pag nandito na kayo guys, i-off nyo lang yan. So, dito makikita nyo yung people won't be able to see when you read their message. And you won't able to see when they read yours. So, ganun lang naman guys. Thanks for watching.